this one, besides the Mindanao, come here as we be celebrating in a few minutes of time the grand opening of Diesel Live. For the meantime, maligay naman ang energy ninyo habang sumasigaw mo para may kasamang sigaw! Thank you! Host and LC is part of our celebration today. And everybody is part of our celebration ngayong umaga na to, and also para mabigyan natin ng energy at umaga natin Diyos from left to right. Okay lang ba everyone? Sa likod, sa harapan, marinig naman ang inyong energy habang one more time sa masigaw mo para paano may kasamang sigaw! Ipakilala po natin mga kaibigan ng mga pamilya, ilan sa mga secretaries and mga tao na makakasama natin or special people na makakasama natin as part of our grand opening today. So, from the country manager of Diesel Live Philippines, everybody, let's give a big round of applause, L.A. Rosero! Hi, sir! And hindi nga makakasama natin the Business Development and Marketing Manager for Diesel Live Distributor, Mr. Miguel Bonifacio. Hi, sir. Yan, hapon na ito. Morning na ito mga kasama natin ang Product Associate all the way from Diesel Live Distributor. Manel Nocelio. Alright, there you go. And hindi lang yan, ito mga kaibigan ng OPA ng Diesel Live mga kasama natin. With the trainer, radio DJ Danilo, our special guest for our day celebration. Everybody, let's go now, Kevin C! Kasama natin ang mga taga-SM na nandito tayo ngayon sa SMC sa National. Sila may partner natin ng Diesel Live mga kaibigan. Kaya naman ito makasama natin Assistant Wall Manager, Ms. Darcy Royo! Ay, sorry, Sir Darcy, sorry, I'm sorry, Sir Darcy Royo. And hindi na natin makasama natin from SMC sa National Marketing Officer. We have Ali Ong, and also from SMC is our National Talent Relations Officer, makasama natin J.M. Moseros. And also makasama natin SMC is our National Marketing Officer. Also, we have Mary Stripena. And another one, we have from SMC is our National Marketing Manager, Liz Garcia. And everyone, we have to walk na natin matagal na dahil si DJ and si President ay pinihahanda na ng ibang fans na magbibili ng mga discounts and rebates, and hindi namin sa grand opening ng ating newest class ang kinihan natin sa atin ng Diesel Live. Kaya naman, ito na, we'd like to call here at the front our executive from Diesel Live Philippines, SM Super Balls, SMC International, and our special guest as well. So, we'd like to call in ang mga guys. So, pwede natin si Sir Anthony to have the system. And also, hahawak na isang good name natin or the sister will be Sir Darcy Royo. And also, we'd like to call in as well Sir Miguel Bonifacio. Alright, so now everybody, we have let's begin the grand opening of our newest kiosk mga kaibigan. Siyempre makakasama natin dyan the OPA of Diesel Live Philippines, Mr. Kevin C. So now everyone, as we begin the opening of our newest kiosk, would it be okay magkaroon tayo ng countdown? Samahan nyo mas maganda mga kaibigan habang may 5-second countdown. Alright, so samahan nyo everybody, sabay-sabay tayo. At May 17, 2025, live here at SMC sa National. Mag-ibigan ng pamilya o sa Visayas sa Mindanao in 5, 4, 3, 2, and
1. Our partners, Operation, all the marketing team from our security. Thank you very much for wonderful. we are showcasing our best-selling products for the Philippines. Kasi we know how hot summer is. And even after summer, yung mga students natin will use na. And everyone who physically visits it needs it all the time. So we have exciting products available here, like the outdoor bag, which includes flashlight and a power bank. So it's now travel, acting, that's the best product that they can have. And all of those products we have special promotion for today for the SMPD sale. So we did open our kiosk during the sale to give people more discounts and more savings. So we hope to get the opportunity of this graduate opening of our store, and we look forward to more kiosks all over the world. So again, thank you very much to our friends who look at everyone for
May parang headphone na Jisoo Live na ginagamit ko on my events. Lalong-lalo na we're here in the Philippines, and something that I can say na it's still working 100%, reliable and stylish, aesthetic. So I can say that one of the products or one of the main deal breaker ko why I support this brand is because they are reliable and also I can use for my daily business. Thank you, brother, and enjoy your Jisoo Life products, everyone.
Wow,
Can we flex the Jisoo Live? 1, 2, and smile, guys. Last one.